Today I'm going to show you a quick fix for a loose foot joint on the flute. So when this part of your flute almost or actually falls off when you're playing. This is pretty rare. Does not happen very often, but if this is you, this quick fix is going to save your life. Maybe not save your life, but it will save your flute and your flute playing. So I'm Jane, I'm a flute teacher in Sydney in Australia, and I love showing flute players just like you how to get faster progress with their playing through learning proper technique. So I've got a really good example of that at the end of this video. I'm going to show you exactly how to play high notes more easily. So it's the proper technique for high notes. Right now though, back to your foot joint that falls off. Yesterday I was teaching one of my delightful 11-year-old flute students, and her flute's okay, but it's not the best flute, and her foot joint is so loose that it's in danger of falling off. So we had to do something about it quick. There's a really, really quick fix that you can do until you can get your flute repaired, and it is this: sticky tape. If you take a tiny little bit, and we're going to stick it on here, and it will increase the size of this and make this joint much more secure. So all you need to do is stick it on there and then on the inside of the flute. And that is the quickest fix you will ever come across for a really loose foot joint on the flute. Now, obviously, I can't get mine on because mine wasn't loose to start with. But if this is an issue for you, this will fix it right away, temporarily. So the proper technique for learning high notes on the flute. Come and join me for a free 3-day mini course, www.flute.school/high notes, and I'll show you exactly what you need to do to make high notes so much easier. I'll see you there.